Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to fix errors in Android Studio. So navigate here to the right side where you see this icon Device Manager. And then at the bottom, you will see the agent, like so. All right, so this is basically the AI which you have implemented here in Android Studio. Now what you're going to do is basically where you see this on the left side, you see build. It opens up this window here at the bottom, or the terminal. Wherever you see an error, what you're going to do is just simply type in this box here this error and ask him um, ask him or copy paste it directly into the Gemini chat window, um, how to fix that or something, and it will generate you an options how you can fix it, or already he will fix it for you. So yeah, this is how you can use AI to fix errors. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you